Hey, I am back again. I greet you all specially. Thanks for always tuning into our channel to know what's happening around the southeast and all over Nigeria. So guess what? I came across this video lately, and in this video, Prince Arthur Eze, the richest Igbo billionaire alive, was seen in the midst of, respected Igbo traditional rulers. And in this video you're about to watch, Prince Arthur Eze had a very strong message for Ndi Igbo. Well, according to him, he's assuring us with his full chest that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I mean, we've been hearing this a whole lot, but in this video, he's saying it, like I said, with his full chest. He has a whole lot of things to say. So I oblige you all to take your time and listen to what he said, because trust me, the reaction from this video from Ndi Igbo is not funny at all. It wasn't funny. They came after him back to back.
Well, it's a hard line, I tell him, but we shall beg Tinubu to forgive him. Tinubu had spirit of forgiveness. He had no enemy. They didn't know about the war. I was in civil war. I was refugee for 3 years with my father. I lost some of my brothers in battlefield. All these people talking about war, they didn't know. The report through Igbo now, he commanded 50 brigade arrow because brigade commander. He had the bullet in the heart. All these people run about, didn't know. I was here when Obicubana declared the Republic of Biafra, this House of Assembly. But they are presidents with my father. Yeah, they don't know what it's war. It's not the Tinubu's fault, it is Buhari's fault. But we can beg Tinubu to forgive. He has spirit to forgive. The wife is a kind woman, very kind to share. The wife went to Benue, went to Party State, PDP. He kept them £100 million. He didn't care which party he belonged to. He was sharing anything the husband can share everywhere. They don't belong to any party. They're not talking about party, we're talking about unity of Nigeria. Tinubu, Southeast Development Zone. That has solved our problem. No other government were threw us out behind. They neglected us. Tinubu came and pointed us. The managing director from Tinubu-Kanu, from Ugo, Michael Koya, Imo, and changing the Igbo life. Very soon, many people start getting jobs, including us, with the advice of other governors. Conscience. He has no enemy. He doesn't get bounded. They don't want to know who you are. Part of insecurity. That's why you like your governor. Governor Enugu, with Ndi Igbo in there. I give a Kanu, Yaka. We take the ITC to monitor the criminals. Spend a lot of money. That's why I can be here. We can move around. Nobody can harass us. Only here. If other governors will do what he's doing, and what the Tinubu is doing, we have no problem. If this problem, only Tinubu can solve our problem. Now we are alive. All of us are more than 60 years.
Now that you have seen the video, let's talk. But because honestly, Ndi Igbo are not finding this funny at all. The reactions online have been buzzing. Some people are calling him out. Others are asking questions like, why now? What's the real motive? And why is he speaking for us? Now, this person said, Ike God said, enough of all this cho in 2025 about the immediate and unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu by Southeast political and business elites. Ikem David said, this man is talking nonsense. He himself is enemy of Igbo land, is the tool of federal government for Igbo destruction. Wow. Could this particular comment be true? Who knows? We never can tell. But I feel this is just too harsh on his personality. You never can tell who is working for and against the government. Okay? Now, Mazi said the biggest lioness in the Igbo land. Oh my goodness. The same man said that Buhari will hand over to an Igbo man, Alpha. Emeka Mula said, Arthur Eze. I don't want to mention the next thing he said. Just make una release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for us. You can't stop praising your masters. Sure boy, he also said people should stop celebrating this man. He's one of our major problems in Igbo land. Now, most of these comments really got me thinking, are these really true, or they are just mere says? It's just a way of people not knowing what to say and they just want to blab online. Right now, these are the few comments I can read out, because most of the comments are really abusive and I really do not want to use such words in this video. At this point, it seems like a whole lot is expected from Prince Arthur Eze as one of the most powerful and wealthiest Igbo man from the East. But that brings me to you watching this video right now. What do you really think Arthur Eze should be doing with all that power and influence for Igbo land? Should he be lobbying for development, starting big investments in the Southeast, pushing for youth empowerment, especially insecurities in the Southeast of Nigeria? Or do you feel he's already doing enough? Let's talk about it in the comment section below. I'm still your gist partner, your Tatafo Faith Kalu, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.